That was a great video. It was okay. I could have done better. There were some messed up parts. When I was young, I didn't take compliments well. To this day, I am sometimes embarrassed or surprised by the unexpected compliment. I remember playing my guitar in front of a small group. I would occasionally get the, "Oh, that song was awesome" compliment. My response? I missed a note on the solo, I flubbed that chord, I could have done better. Even as I got older, accepting compliments didn't feel natural. Sometimes somebody would say something positive about my work. I would say a quick "thanks," and I'd just quickly change the subject. Or worse, I would just nod and then try to get out of that conversation as fast as possible. As I got older, I realized something. A compliment is a gift given to me by another person. And the compliment isn't just for me. The compliment isn't just for the recipient. The person giving the compliment gets a sense of positive feeling by expressing their feelings. All the years, I was stealing joy away from the complimenter by downplaying their opinion. By not accepting the compliment, I was telling this person, "No, you're wrong." Any one of us might feel this way. We don't want to be too boastful. And if we acknowledge the compliment, we are somehow letting our ego get in the way. In fact, you're doing as much good for the complimenter as they are doing for you. So here's what you need to do. 1, know in your heart you have value. There are things that you do really well that others will appreciate. 2, when someone expresses their compliment, remember, this is a gift they are giving you. And like any gift someone gives you, be gracious and accept that gift. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Your opinion means a lot to me. By graciously accepting that gift of a compliment, you are reciprocating with a gift of your own. Next time somebody gives you a compliment, remember this and try it. It's a gift, and your job is to accept that gift and be gracious for it. I do videos like this all the time. Sometimes my videos are marketing and business, others are on personal development. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you disagreed with any part of it, put it in the comments below. I like to hear that as well. I appreciate your time today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.